Hello everyone and season's greetings to all. So today we are back with another fun-filled yet short activity at Global Academy where I'll be talking to Ishan and Niyati in a candid interview based on some of their recent work. Introducing myself, my name is Sushmita Chaudhary and I'm a final year MBBS student at Dr. Y.S. Parmar Government Medical College Nahan. My goal in life is to be a fantastic clinician, an expert at what I do, and being a part of Global Academy has certainly set that goal into motion. Moving ahead with the interview, hi Ishan, I would like you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Namaste. I am Ishan Wazir and I am a final year student from VMMC and Subsidence Hospital, New Delhi. I am also one of the core members of the Indian Board of Global Academy UK.
Thank you, Ishan. I enjoyed watching your medical consultation video. My first question to you is what motivated you to do the same?
So it all began back in June. I started writing about my learning experiences with Global Academy, but soon I realized two things. First, that there was a lot I wanted to share, a lot of experiences and memories. And the second, that writing may not be the best medium to express my thoughts. I needed a somewhat stronger medium, and therefore I decided to make this video. So I drafted my ideas quickly in a script and I presented it to Rambo, and he loved it. He loved the idea. He encouraged me to go forth with the video, and the rest is history. Here, I would also like to thank Niyati for her brilliant work in the video. It was an amazing journey, those 3 months, and if given a chance again, I would love to do it in a heartbeat.
Absolutely. Having said that, what are the three things that you want to convey to the students?
Okay. So the first thing I'd like to convey is that, as it's evident from the response that we have received on our video, we've all felt the need for effective communication skills. Therefore, I'd like to encourage you all to start taking action as soon as possible because strong roots do produce beautiful flowers. At the same time, however, don't feel shy to join the movement even if you're in your final year or even graduated. I started in my final year and it has been an amazing journey so far. Second thing I like to say is that, undoubtedly effective communication skills would help build healthy doctor-patient relationships and would result in efficient healthcare delivery. But at the same time, they'll also help you to enhance your interpersonal communication skills with your colleagues and friends, and that would definitely help you in the long run. The third thing I want to say is that together we can bring in the change. There's already a movement going on known as Team Rambo. Please join us and help us bring the change. Thank you.
Yes, communication skills are indeed an integral part of a medical consultation. Thank you, Ishan, for sharing these beautiful insights. Next, we have Niyati with us. Hi, Niyati. I request you to please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Niyati Rajpopat, second year medical student from Pramukh Swami Medical College, Gujarat, and I'm privileged to be a member of Global Academy.
So, Niyati, I'm curious to know about your experience of making the video. Tell us about your journey.
First of all, I would like to thank Global Academy for giving me this wonderful opportunity to work on this amazing project with Ishan Wazir. The guidance and support has been fantastic all along. Overall, it was a magical experience. I have gained a lot of insight into the subject matter, and it has also helped me to understand the abstract concept like empathy better. The editing process was brilliant. Attention paid to each and every word and action by the team was painstakingly amazing. The learning process was exciting, and I did feel a little nervous at times. We had to practice several times, and during the process of role playing as a patient, I experienced what it feels like for not being seen or heard to.
I agree. And I want to ask, what message would you like to give to first and second year medical students?
As a second year student, I would like to reach out to all first and second year students and make a request. Request to invest in learning clinical communication skills. Get started now. Learn fundamentals now. I'm telling you, it is a lot more fun than what you think. And if you need any guidance, feel free to reach out to Global Academy, as they will always welcome such enthusiastic students with open arms. Lastly, according to Gandhiji's quote, be the change you wish to see in the world. So we need to work on our communication skills first to bring out the change in healthcare system worldwide. All the best.
Yes, thank you, Niyati. Learning to listen and to communicate well are essential skills that can only come with the power of practice. But change is knocking at our doors, and we need to welcome change. With this, I would like to conclude the interview and say thank you to Ishan and Niyati. It was lovely hearing from both of you. If you think you can welcome the change, please join the movement. Thank you for listening patiently.